It's always a good time when Lucy Greer is in the kitchen, especially when cookies are involved.
Yes.
Joe and I have already taste tested.
Y'all approved.
No one is surprised by that. Yeah,
No.
Joe, so you know I love all cookies, but when Joe says, Joe's like, that's a really good cookie.
Yes, he really did like them. My nanny always, or our nanny that keeps the kids always says, that Joe Emer really likes to eat. I'm like, have you not looked at Chastity?
Right. Yeah. Have you not seen Chastity in the cooking segments?
I know, so that's funny. But yes, there are some lemon sugar cookies that we're going to make today. And cookies really are easy to make and fun. This is actually Posey's sugar cookie recipe that I just changed a couple of things. She always made, of course, she's an excellent baker. She doesn't bake too much anymore, but she still loves to eat sweets just like you.
That's how I know. Posey and I have such a connection. And it goes way back. And I feel like we're the same person.
Yes.
Except, no, Posey's much better at things in the kitchen than I am.
Well, by Posey's age, which is 89, she'll probably be just as good at the kitchen.
She could get mad at you for saying that.
She'll be 90 soon.
So she'll have to celebrate by coming on the show.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I think we got to make it happen.
I'll totally bring her back on. So the sugar cookies are super simple to make. So I have 2/3 cup of butter in here. And you and I were talking about unsalted versus salted butter. I always use unsalted butter to cook with and to bake with. We are going to add a little bit of salt later. So I have 2/3 cup of butter. You can see how soft it was. I just let it come to room temp. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cup. Well, let me turn this off real quick. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla. We're just going to do 1 teaspoon, and we're going to cream this together just until it's combined and fluffy.
I'm trying to remember if I've ever seen you measure stuff like that before. Was that just for television purposes?
Yeah, usually I'm like, well, whatever.
Yeah.
They always say, when you're baking, you need to measure, which is true, which of course is true. But I usually don't measure the vanilla, but I had the measuring spoon with me today because we are going to measure our milk and our lemon juice a little bit later. So I'm just going to do the speed up a little bit on this and just, let it go for just a minute until it's nice and combined.
Yep. What's been going on at Greer's? I know you guys, of course, still getting ready, getting all the spring stuff out.
Yes, all the spring merchandise is arriving in the stores, which is a lot of fun. I mean, beach chairs and plants and, coolers and all that kind of stuff. It's such a nice, fun time of year. We have lots of stores that are near the water or on the water, and those stores are always a lot of fun to be in, during this time of year. So we still have our online shopping going on. So if you haven't had a chance to try it yet, it is really, really a great time saver, and a lot of people are enjoying that. So just greers.com/shop for online shopping information.
Yeah. One of the things that I remember about the Bay Minette location, Cottage Hill location, and the one in Fairhope, I've been, of course, to them all, but taking a look when you walk outside the store at this time of year, you mentioned the plants. The plants are everywhere. They're so pretty.
They are so pretty. I know, right? Whenever I drive up, I just always want to buy something. And I have a little bit of self-restraint in the plant department, but whenever Spiro goes to the stores, he always comes home with a new plant. He loves to.
You're like, here, make it live.
I know, that's my problem. Like, I know that I can't keep anything alive besides, the 3 kids and 2 dogs and husband and me at my house. So plants are not my thing, but I wish they were. I think in my next life, I have a lot of things I want to do in my next life.
As long as I can
and that's
order
going to
them.
be one of them. I know, they're so pretty though.
Yeah, they are. So be sure to check those out. You're going to want to check these cookies out too. Joe and Chastity approved. Joe will be up here next getting these ready, and of course the finished product coming up in just a few minutes.